I'm not here to lead God into the plan that I have, but I am the servant that stands behind him and says, wherever you lead me, I will follow. I am the Lord's servant. May everything you have said about me come true. Understand that when a divine disruption comes, his plan will inevitably be inconvenient. And can I even push it a little bit further and say it might be a little bit dangerous? You say, God would never put me in a dangerous situation. Go ask the missionaries that have traveled around the world and given up their lives. Go ask the disciples, who every single one of them, with the exception of John, gave up their lives in miserable ways. Don't believe for a half a second that God won't interrupt your life and put you into a situation that's going to be very, very, very uncomfortable. But the good news is that God is in control, and when you are doing that which he has called you to do, no matter how dangerous or inconvenient it looks, your steps are ordered of him, and he will see it through into the end. And what the enemy tries to do for evil, God will always turn for good. And when man tries to oppose you, I'm telling you, the blood of Jesus gives you the power and the strength to carry through. And there's no one that's going to stand against that which God has called you to do. A divine disruption will interrupt your plans, but it's the best thing that will ever happen to your week.